Ready?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Barney Baggett, and I represent Machine Theater. And we're here today to talk to you about Thom Thom, If That Bird Won't Sing, a new work by Matt Cosper, developed by Machine Theater, with new original music by local rock star John Lindsay. It's action-packed, full of adventure, romance, mystery, intrigue, singing, dancing, swashbuckling. There's a real human heart. There's a lot of great things going on with this show, and it's something we're very excited about. It's a brand new work, which is something you don't see in Charlotte a whole lot, and something I think that the city really deserves. It's going to be an amazing performance. You can catch it July 8th through the 17th at the Duke Energy Theater at Spirit Square. Basically what we've done is we've taken the characters of Scout Finch and Boo Radley, or Jean Louise and Arthur as they're known, and taken them out of the world of To Kill a Mockingbird and put them down into this ethereal limbo where they are pursued by a villainous pack of murderous cannibal sorcerer criminals. Yeah, Thom Thom, If That Bird Won't Sing. It's a new work we've been developing over the past year. We produced our first sort of work in progress showing at Carolina Actors Studio Theater, and now we're going over to the Duke for a more fully realized production, which promises to be awesome in every regard, really. We have an excellent cast. They're really awesome. They've been putting in a lot of hard work. You can get your tickets by checking out www.CarolinaTix.org.
And the track will be just like this, so you'll be right here.
When a man is mad and he's awful sore at the life he's had.
All right?